Hello and welcome guys. Today in this video I'm gonna show you how to add administrative user in WordPress website. So firstly log in your website and after that move your cursor to users. In here click on add new. Now in here you need to fill this form. So type username, email, first name, last name, and in the role option select administrator. So type the username. After filling this form, click on show password. You have the option to change this auto password, and also you can use this password and select the role from in here. And after selecting the role administrator, just click on add new user. That's it. So friends, by this easy and simple method you can add new administrator user in WordPress website. Hopefully you like this video. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe the channel for latest update.